Thank you for being willing to read for our summer program. I really appreciate you. I've created this video to help you navigate best practices for recording you with the audio and also for consistency between the different recordings. So what you're going to do is you're going to use Google Meets to do your recording so that there's continuity between all of the recordings and so that they're easy to share. So you can actually go to your email and you can hit start meeting. And to maintain your bandwidth, you don't need to turn on your camera. So you can turn that off. That way no one sees your pantry like you just saw mine. And you can hit join now. You don't need to add anybody. And then what you're going to do is present. So I'm going to show you that. You hit present now. And you can do your entire screen. That's fine. You pick the screen, you hit share. And then you also want to click down here, record meeting. And it's going to ask for consent and you just say accept. And then it'll tell you the chime that you are recording. So what you would do from there, and I can edit out the part of you that's not for the reading, you would go to your slide and hit present screen and just start reading. When you're done, you can escape and then go back to your Google Meet. And you can hit stop presenting and stop recording. And then you can exit your Google Meet and you can go to your Drive and you will likely have a Meet recordings folder. And then when you find your Meet recording, you can right click on it and share it with me. You'll just want to be sure to update the pages for your specific section in the Google slide. You can do that by hitting File, make a copy, and you can just do the selected slides, that's fine. And then you'll make the copy in your folders wherever you want that to go. And then you will just change by clicking in here whatever the pages are as they relate to the reading. And when I say red copy or brown copy, that's this book, and beige copy is this book. I know there is another cover, I just don't have access to that right now. So these are the covers that students will hopefully use because they're what they can get through the Peak to Peak library. And hopefully that is what you need. If you have any questions, please do contact me and I would be happy to help you with your recordings. Thank you so, so much. Please don't forget to record your hours and I can log those for NHS or any other service organization you'd like to use. Thank you so much.